If you're diving into the world of finance and need to understand currency quotes, then listen up. Direct currency quotes are when you see the domestic currency as the base, like this. 1 USD = 0.85 EUR. You can always spot them because the domestic currency is listed first. Simple, right? Now, indirect currency quotes are a bit different. Instead of the domestic currency, the foreign currency is the base. So, 1 USD = 0.85 EUR becomes 1 EUR = 1.18 USD. Notice, the foreign currency is now the base. Direct quotes are great for understanding how much foreign currency you can get with your domestic currency. Indirect quotes are perfect for seeing how much domestic currency you need for a unit of foreign currency. Both are useful, but knowing when to use each can make your financial analysis clearer and more accurate. So, next time you're looking at exchange rates or trading currencies, remember, direct quotes for domestic base, indirect quotes for foreign base. Easy as pie. Or should I say, easy as trading. Pause and laugh. That's it. You've got this. Happy trading.